I'm down another pound, 191 this morning. Good morning. This is the outfit of the day. I have a little cloche hat. I think it's like I read it was invented in '08, and I don't remember if they wore it in the 30s or 40s. I've been watching this fashion channel. It's just fun just seeing like how the different fashion was over the era, over the years. Anyway, so I told you I went to a thrift store, and I've got I didn't have a black dress, so I've got that sundress that I had. Anyway, I wore this the other day, but nobody's gonna know because it's gonna look like a skirt. So I got this shirt at the thrift store. I thought it was fun. It kind of channels old lady, Golden Girls, Dorothy, Rue McClanahan kind of style, and then like I said, black skirt. I got sandals with it. No clue what else I mean, I probably could have worn my boots, but I don't know, that might have just kind of offset it too much because I want the highlight to be the hat. It's got a little flower on it. So anyway, I'm just like, you know what? I'm going to work at this place until I die. I sit behind a desk, so I'm going to have fun with it. So, whatever. Anyway, so I'm having fun. Whoop, watch out, puppy dog. So, this is what I'm wearing today. And, so I wanted to tell you. So, since I'm going to the gym now, my weight loss is changed. I was down a pound this morning. I showed y'all that. But as you know, I'm eating the same as I was before I went to the gym. If you go back and watch any of my other videos, it's the exact same food, except instead of 7-8 ounces of lean ground beef, it's 6 to 7 ounces of fatty meat. So the 80-20 ground beef, the steak, stuff like that. So I've increased my intake on that level. Everything else is the same, but it's slowing down is my point. So just always remember, as you get closer to your goal, your weight loss is going to slow down anyway. So I'm not having, for a while I was down 2 pounds, down 2 pounds, down 2 pounds. But then, I had that 8-month stall, whenever I switched from carnivore to keto. And so I had that 8-month stall. So you're going to have those things along the way where you got to kind of tweak. But I would rather lose 1 pound and not lose muscle at this stage. Now, before, I wanted to lose weight. I just wanted to lose weight. I didn't care how, didn't care what was coming off. You could have taken a body organ out, and I'd been like, hey, I'm still down some weight. But now, since I am in the process, I'm not all the way there, but since I'm in the process of changing my way of thinking, I know losing 1 pound is way better than losing 2 if I'm keeping my muscles. There you go. Also, something I did, I want to tell you all about. I had bought these Cafe Bustelo. I bought them online. You can buy this coffee. It's a espresso type coffee. It's just more caffeine in it. And so I bought these sticks because I just didn't feel like there was much caffeine in the Starbucks that I've been using. So so I bought these sticks, and I would put half of one probably about the past 3 days just to see how it works. And I like that it gave me the extra boost. So, but these are stinking expensive because you have to get them on Amazon. So I am trying these. This is cheapy Taster's Choice. I think a box of these was like $1, $2 maybe. So I'd put half of one of these in there. We'll see. I don't want too much caffeine because I don't want to be and getting on my nerves and everybody else's nerves. But I would just like a little boost in caffeine without anything, extra calories or carbs. So I'm like I said, today's the first time I put half of one of those in my coffee. So I'll see how it goes. But that's just a heads up. Doesn't seem like the Starbucks is giving me quite what I want. So if this Taster's Choice does, then I'll just buy this box of them because they're super cheap. And you get 16 in a box. So even if it took like 2 packages, hang on, I'll tell you exactly how much it was. It was $3.52 for this box, but I'm 99% sure mine was on sale. Hey, I wonder if it's expiration date issue. October 2022. I don't know. I could be lying. Maybe I'm not lying. Oh, you know what? No, the one beside it was like the cheapy Walmart one, and that one was $1. Either way, so this is whatever the dollar amount I just said, 3 something. So anyway, so if that's 3 something for this, and this potentially, let's just say, use 2 packages, that's 8 servings, whereas the Starbucks thing is $5 for 3 servings. So you've already saved money because it's 16 servings instead of 3, and $4 is $3.50 instead of $5. So these are cheaper. Now, I don't know about taste and all that, so don't go jumping on it. I'm just kind of testing it out, see what I think, and we'll go from there. But yeah, so that's what I'm wearing today, and I'll show you the food next. Sorry, long intro. Breakfast this morning is 2 servings of my Too Good low-fat Greek yogurt. So 2 servings of that. And there was 3 of these chicken sausages, but I already ate one because I'm starving. So there is breakfast this morning. Lunch today is my ground beef and my veggies that I made last weekend. And I just put it all into the one side. And this will be my lunch today. Today is gym day, so I've got my chips that I'll eat later on. And there you go. It's 3:30 and I'm having my Quest chips. I put them in here so that I can just use tip it up to my mouth and not get my hands all orange because I got to touch my computer. I don't want to get fussed at. So yeah, there's my nacho Quest chips before I go to the gym today. All right, we're going to try something a little different. Hi. Supper tonight. It's ground beef, whatever I made 2 weeks ago. I'm going to a southwestern flavor, so I have to get my seasonings over here. And this one. So, here I got this Greek yogurt, and I probably will not be able to return it. So I'm just going to use it in small amounts in different things. So I'm going to use it. These vegetables are looking rough. It is fajita mixed vegetables. So maybe I'm going to just dump them in. So it's onions and peppers. I'm going to do some of my seasoning. Some salt, some of that slap your mama, some tahini, and some of the everything bagel. That is 100% not Mexican. It's Southwestern Mexican, whatever. Definitely not that. I'm going to do a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. And a little bit of pico de gallo. Hey, I'm down a pound. Whoop, whoop, I'm down a pound. Whoop, whoop. So now I'm going to put some of this Greek yogurt on here. So let's even see what a serving is. For this, it's 170 grams, which I definitely don't think I'm going to use. I'm thinking 2 tablespoons, but let's see. This is a drier yogurt than the one I like. So 2 tablespoons. That's 72. So one is 170. and I use 70, so math. You do the math. One serving is 130 calories and 8 carbs. That's less than half, so yeah. Piece of cilantro. Now, we're going to take this, shake her up. I went to the gym, did all my machines. I tell you what, this weekend I was a lot more active. I know I told you about Saturday, and I don't get out of my house on the weekends. I've kind of become a, what do you call it? Not arachnophobia. Oh my gosh, what the heck is it? The people who don't leave their house. Anyway, that's what I kind of do, because I get tired of people after working all week, so I stay home on the weekend. But oh, I went to Walmart yesterday too. I was like, I didn't show you what I got because I was embarrassed. I did the same thing I did at Schnucks, and I went to the meat aisle, but it was early in the morning, so there was all kinds of deals. So I did what I do and filled up my freezer, because boy, I must got there before all the other little old people. Hang on, let me see. Oh yeah, that's good. So I'm gonna have that, and I have a salad. So yesterday I made up the salad. Sorry that it was sesame seeds. I had to get them. I used half a bag of that butter lettuce that I bought, which, because it's 2 servings, or 4 servings. So I have 2 servings of lettuce. I'll say it that way. 2 servings of lettuce, 1 serving of that broccoli Brussels sprout mix, and then I've got some of the pico de gallo, because you know I'm too lazy to cut up tomatoes. Sprinkle of cheese and some bacon bits in there. Oh, that wasn't sesame seeds. Well, it was everything bagel seasoning. I forgot I put that on there. So now, this dressing is a mixture of Skinny Girl poppy seed, Walden Farm. Hang on. I know, I'm totally the worst. It's a mixture of about that much of this I had put in there, about this much of the Walden Farms raspberry vinaigrette, and then it had about that much poppy seed, maybe a little bit lower. And so that's what this dressing is. It's really good. I don't know what part makes it good, but all of them probably. How much we doing here? Let's see. Okay, 50 grams. Now I'm letting you all see what I really do whenever I pull things back. Takes a while because the lettuce kind of balls up, and I want it to mix up real good. There we go. So there's my salad, and here's my fajita bowl, and that's what I'm having for supper, y'all. Can't think of anything else to tell y'all. Like I said, I went to the gym, got my endorphins going, and that's all I know. So yeah, I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Have a good night. Also, update on the coffee. You know, by using that half serving of the Taster's Choice. That did well. I was energized today and able to keep up with everything this morning. Definitely better than that Starbucks stuff all by itself. So I have a feeling I might be working towards using those only, but don't quote me on that. We'll see. We will see. I got to get through what I got first. Hey, Future Terry here. So I went ahead and made up one of my coffee containers that I use. And I used 2 of the Taster Choice sticks. And like I always do my regular coffee, I did half a scoop of my 0 carb protein powder, Isopure, and a half scoop of my Perfect Keto collagen. And then I did 240 grams of the unsweetened, almond milk. And yeah, so I made it up with 2 sticks. So we're going to see how that works. I'll tell you tomorrow.